To create a discount code, start by activating your booking page payments. This can be done by navigating to the Payments section, typically located on the far left, and clicking on it. Next, connect a payment method such as PayPal, Stripe, or Square by selecting the desired option and pressing Connect. Then log in to the corresponding account to establish the connection. With the payment system integrated, enable customers to pay online ahead of time by switching on the Accept Booking Page Payments option. Once this is enabled, you can create discounts by clicking on the Add Charge or Reduction option, which will prompt a pop-up window where you can select the type as a discount, name it, and specify the percentage. You can also choose how the discount will be applied. After configuring the discount settings, click Save Changes to create the discount code, which can then be used. The process is relatively straightforward, and following these steps should allow you to successfully create a discount code.